Hi everyone, welcome to our Scala tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you something that many programmers have reported was challenging when they first start. We could have struggled with printing a simple message, but I will show you how to easy it can be. Let me introduce a greeting function, which will be of a type string. The function will have a value the main instructor said was the classic beginner's example. So let's start. We are going to create our function with def, the name of our function, rating, without parameters. It's going to be a string, and the value is hello world. And then we are going to print this. How we can print this? Okay, we are going to stay in our main function, and we are going to write print line greeting, and that's it. We have to save the program, and if we try to run this, and that's it. We have our first hello world in our terminal. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.